Hey guys, I hope you guys have been doing well. Today I'm actually gonna make my all-time favorite, the pork belly, and I'm gonna be doing it in an air fryer, which absolutely crisps the layer of fat and gives it a nice crunch. So stay tuned, I'm gonna show you my recipe and let's get cooking. Okay guys, we got the pork belly here. You can get it sliced at your butcher or you can just slice it yourself. So it's very basic spices that we're going to use. So I've got 1 teaspoon of salt, fine salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, and we've got 2 teaspoons of crushed fennel. Okay, so just going to give that a quick mix. And also make sure you get a good even cut of your pork belly. Also note that just gotta make a bit thin slices just to get the ingredients in. So I'm just gonna slice it a bit. Okay, this piece I got actually has a bit of rib, so I'm just gonna slice it in here, just so all that spice can soak in. Okay, so now we've got our mixed spice. So give this a good dry rub. Get that spices all in there. That fennel is quite strong. Okay guys, also note that in order to get a good crispy pork belly, you gotta make sure that your skin is absolutely dry, no moisture whatsoever. So take a nice paper towel and just give it a nice wipe. So soak up whatever moisture left on that skin. Okay, there we go. Okay, right. I'm gonna make a nice. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make a little basket with my foil. So you just take the sheets long enough, you double it, and then you give it a nice fold. Okay. Give it a nice fold. This is gonna catch whatever juices. Okay guys, now once it's in our little foil basket, this basket's actually gonna soak up, keep up all those juices so it doesn't actually get dry. Okay, so now it's time to go in the air fryer. Let's take it in. Okay, so now it's in there, and for some extra crispy skin, we're just gonna brush it with some white vinegar. Okay, so just give that a brush. A little bit more. Okay, so now we're gonna pop this back in. And we're gonna put it for 30 minutes at 100 degrees. So we're gonna let that cook. While that berry is roasted in the air fryer, I'm just gonna have me some good local wine, made in Cape Town. So here's to good health, good drinks, and good food. That's good. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Look at how nice and dry this is there. Skin is nice and dry. Okay guys, so now that the skin is nice and dry, I'm now just gonna brush it with some olive oil to give it that nice crisp. So let's just add some nice extra virgin olive oil. And this is just going to crisp it out. Okay, now we're just gonna sprinkle it with some salt. Okay, so now we're gonna pop this back in. Okay, so now comes the fun part. Now we're gonna put it on for 40 minutes. And we're gonna double that temperature to 200 degrees. Okay, so now it's gonna cook out properly and crispy. Guys, now it's actually the moment of the truth. So let's see how this looks. What? Look at how crispy this is. Okay. Okay guys, now for the moment of truth. Just listen to this. That is crispy. Okay, so now let's give it. Ooh, just look at this. Juicy and crispy. This is gonna be good. Just look at that. Oh, it's hot. Okay guys, this crackling is absolutely crispy. I mean, if that doesn't make you want to get an air fryer, I'm not sure what will make you get it, but that crisp is something else. I'm not sure if you can get the crunch, but the pork flavor is just right. The crackling is just right. I think that's my new favorite now in this air fryer. So far. Just look at how juicy that is. Okay guys, I'm gonna go and enjoy myself my nice pork belly. Don't forget to like or subscribe to my channel for more good upcoming content. Cheers.